3-1 against Vision FC on the final day. What's your take on this particular game?
Well, I think Vision FC played good, and they deserve to win. But the positive side of this game is a wake-up call to the finals I'm going to play. Because I saw it coming before Midema game. So I'm not worried, too much worried. Because at the end of the day, my winning will not give me maturity. It will have placed me in a better position. So to me, as I said, it's a wake-up call to the finals. And I'm happy to see it now. Because it will also help me to rearrange my boys well for the finals.
Will this impact the FA Cup final?
You said?
Will this impact on the FA Cup final?
No, rather positively, it will help me. Because you know how our boys are. Since I came, the result wasn't too bad. Blah. So I wish you were in Kumasi before Midema. I told them they should be very careful. We might lose that game. But unfortunately, we won. So, and I told them I'm going to use this game and then make myself ready for the finals. So I'm very happy. Has it been positive? We may even have a more tougher, not tougher moment. But now they've seen it, I've seen it. And I think we'll quail back and come for the finals.
Coach, 5 goals considered in the last game. I said, I'm not worried. But this was like a game that you have to look into, especially when you take the game. What would you say went wrong? Is it that people didn't take their responsibility?
Yes. This is football for you. Sometimes you play well, you lose. Sometimes you play even the halfway and then you see yourself winning. There's a lot of things. I think after our game against Midema, I made mention of Midema has helped me to see the real Kotoko and Puchi. You understand me? And today too, I've seen a lot. So, as I said, it's a wake-up call for me to work hard and then win the FA.
Coach, do you feel that the team will do all the captain? Unfortunately, he went off. How severe is it?
Well, I saw him. He twisted the ankle, so it twisted the knee. So I don't know how deep it is until I see my physician, and then I ask him. Seriously, losing him in the middle has also established a loss. When you see the composition of the midfield, it's not a normal one. You understand me? I miss Baba today. Seriously, I miss Baba. Because Baba has now developed and then learned the way I want him to play at that position. And you know, this is the first time or the second time entry came in since I came here. But I'm not apportioning blame to anybody. As I said again, it's a wake-up call to the finals.
Coach, we have numerous supporters traveling, coming to support us. This obviously was not expected, like ending the season with a 3-1 defeat. What would be your message to the fans who travel today?
They should not lose hope. We still have one attack. And that one is more important than even we winning this game. Because we winning this game will not help us to win the league. You understand me? But the one coming next week, so they should come. They should not lose hope. We should come and then we should fight. We both combine and then we fight for the ultimate.
Thank you very much.
You saw some solid display from the supporters. Some of the supporters in the stands mentioned that this should have been the squad should maintain going forward. What do you think?
That's their mind. That's their mind. It has a lot to make it to come out of the squad. It has a lot to come out of the squad. Though the majority will be in, but definitely some will go.
Thank you.
Thank you.